Hi, this is the Huawei Nova 11 Pro and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we will see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. I just want to change to directly unlock the device after the unlocking. So let's try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we could see, the face unlock works here fast and correct, and we just unlock the device without any problems just in 1 second. This is the good result for the face unlock. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.